The green light around Symbotic is getting its brightness cranked up from being ranked number 9 on the Boston Globe's 2026 list of New England's fastest-growing companies, marking its second consecutive year on the list and underscoring strong momentum driven by rising demand for warehouse automation. The ranking, compiled with Statista, reflects revenue growth between 2021 and 2024 and highlights Symbotic's expanding role in transforming supply chains through AI and robotics. Symbotic attributes this growth to both strong customer partnerships and a sustained industry shift toward automation. CEO Rick Cohen emphasized that companies are increasingly prioritizing efficiency, resilience, and scalability in their supply chains, creating a durable demand environment for Symbotic's technology. Its systems use AI-driven robotics to automate the movement, storage, and sorting of goods in warehouses and distribution centers, helping customers improve speed, reduce costs, and optimize inventory management. This demand is supported by large, multi-year contracts that provide strong revenue visibility. The company reported $22.3 billion in remaining performance obligations, with revenue expected to be recognized over 1 to 5 years. Symbotic is also expanding beyond its core warehouse automation offering into related areas such as advanced storage systems, in-store automation, and dock automation. These extensions are designed to deepen customer relationships and increase revenue per deployment. A key example is SYM Micro, a micro-fulfillment solution that is currently in development and already contributing a double-digit percentage of revenue. Management expects it to transition from development into full installations starting around 2026, potentially creating another multi-year growth driver. In fiscal Q1 2026, revenue rose 29% year-over-year to $630 million, while adjusted EBITDA surged to $66.9 million, reflecting better cost control and improved system margins. Gross margin expanded to over 21%, signaling progress as deployments scale. Additionally, recurring revenue streams are growing as more systems go live. Software maintenance revenue nearly doubled to $10.9 million, and operations services revenue rose 68% to $28.8 million, benefiting from a larger installed base. Moving ahead, Symbotic is introducing next-generation storage systems that improve capacity and installation speed, particularly in constrained or temperature-sensitive environments. It's also upgrading its robotics platform through a partnership with Nyobolt, incorporating batteries with significantly higher energy density and longer life. Geographic expansion is also emerging as a growth driver, with the company planning its first deployment in Mexico within the next year. At the same time, management continues to refine execution timelines, with projects typically taking about 2 years to complete and around 10 months to reach full operational acceptance, an area that has recently improved. Though it's still important to note, there's still mostly reliance on a relatively small number of large customers, and delays in project approvals or site readiness can shift revenue timing. High operating expenses also reflect ongoing investment in growth and innovation, which can pressure near-term profitability. Speaking of profitability, support the coverage of less popular companies like Symbotic by signing up for TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.